Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Today is Sunday, July 20th. Sorry again for the video kind of coming out pretty late tonight, but just got back from Wisconsin softball tournament for my daughter up in Janesville that we ended up winning, which was fantastic. So super proud of my daughter on that one, but it's been a long weekend. And I definitely wanted to put out this video to give you guys some updated weekly bands and some new tradable levels for the upcoming market here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And those will be coming to you right after the intro. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is out there is at risk for loss. All right, so starting off here on the ES, did have a weekly band up here that I have currently, I could delete that one. Made a slight adjustment to this weekly band here now, which is sitting at the 62.78 down to the 62.40. I don't have any new tradable levels on the ES yet, but what I am really looking for, and I highly suggest you guys mark this on your charts. First of all, mark out this weekly band, 62.78 down to 62.40. What I'd really like to see is price action react to this 62.55 level, which I am looking for definitely a scalp in this upcoming days. But we obviously need price action to make a pretty good move to the downside. We do have the point of control sitting at about 63.04. So I'm sure it's going to have not only a hard time getting through the point of control, but as you can see, the big meat of volume is sitting right above this band down here. So it's going to have its work cut out for it to get down to this new band and this new tradable level here at the 62.55. But honestly, anything is possible, especially with a Monday open. Below that, we've got another band at 62.19 down to 61.83 with a tradable level sitting at 62.03. Both of these levels where I've got the white dotted lines, 62.55 and 62.03, are both areas that I am looking for trades for this upcoming week. Obviously, this band down here has got some volume that needs to get rebalanced, and the meat of the volume is going to be sitting at the top part of this band, which I'm really looking for a pretty good size reaction to this band, and that goes in sync with a super signal that I've got out there for members of the signal service as well. So that's the ES. Let's take now a look at the NQ. So the NQ, sorry, let me expand this out. Remember, these are 1 hour candles. We had a good reaction, a bounce off of the level at the 23,181 down to the 23,081. We've got a tradable level that sits at the 22,984. So this is an area that I definitely am looking for a scalp on the NQ. Below that, I've got another level that sits at 22,900 down to 22,833. And I also have a tradable level that sits at 22,866. Now, I am going to make a slight adjustment to this weekly band here, which is now going to sit at the 23,256 down to the 23,168. Okay, so this is where this new band now is going to be sitting at. So we do have some pretty decent distance between the lower band and this band that price action is currently right above. Remember, we've got the point of control sitting at about 22,926. But what I'm looking for is this tradable level here at the 22,984. I also have a new tradable level that I will give you that sits right below this band that we're currently sitting in, which, and I don't have my drawing tool up again. Let's make that visible. All right. So let's park this guy right here, and this new tradable level is going to sit at 23,159. Okay. Right here. So price action is currently sitting at about 23,274, and market's obviously open. And we've got another tradable level at 23,159. Mark this off on your charts. Mark 22,984 on your charts, and mark 22,866. Combine this with the new weekly bands, and you will have a blueprint of what the market, where the market is going to have situations where it runs into volume that it either needs to rebalance out or that will cause a pretty good reaction to the market. That's what I'm looking for. And again, I update now in Discord under Rob's levels. I put the new weekly levels in as well. So I know a lot of people follow my levels that I post each and every morning on my Discord. So let's see if this opens up. Here you go. So this was on Friday, 7/18. So again, these are my daily levels that are off the 5-minute and the 15-minute time frame. The solid blue lines are the 15-minute time frame. The dotted lines are the 5-minute time frame. And you will see reactions at majority of these levels. You combine them with volume and you got yourself a winning strategy, I promise you. If you want to learn the strategy, I suggest you to join the Discord. It's free. I've got in this video, into the description, there's 2 videos that I've got listed on there. One is how to come up with the levels each and every morning. The second one is incorporating the volume into your levels to come up with great entries, stop loss, and take profit areas that I'm looking for. So that's all I got for you guys here today. Hope you guys have a great start to your trading week, and look out for my midweek review on Wednesday. Thank you.